देवराज बॉलिंग में तब्दीली।
थोड़ा एक्साइटेड है एक विकेट मिलने के बाद, थोड़ा सा एक उम्मीद की किरण नजर आ रही है, थोड़ा दरवाजा खुला है। ओ बढ़िया, ओ क्या बात, एक विकेट कैसे जान डाल देती है टीम में। और पूरे डगा कप्तान कह रहे हैं भैया आप थोड़ा सा रुक के खेलें, ज्यादा गुस्से में नहीं। गुस्से में 2 विकेट चले गए और बड़ी जबरदस्त वापसी बंगाल टाइगर्स की।
One brings two, that's what they say. Chishu, the captain, encouraging his team because this was a magnificent catch. उदय द्वारा। और ये देखिए कर्नाटका बुलडोजर्स के डगआउट और सुदीप का एक्सप्रेशन देखिए। बंगाल टाइगर्स एक वापसी करते हुए यहाँ पर 37 for 2. दूसरा झटका कर्नाटक के लिए। रन आ जाएंगी अब मिसफील्ड द्वारा।
देखिए यही है एक कंपटीशन का मजा, जब हल्की सी किरण मिलती है तो एकदम एकजुट हो जाती है टीम। और एक लैप्स जो है, एक ड्रॉप कैच, 1-2 रन पड़ जाए आपको, चौके चक्के, पूरी टीम का मोराल नीचे चले जाता है। इसलिए कप्तान का बहुत बड़ा रोल है। ध्रुव अब आए हैं बल्लेबाजी करने, बड़े जबरदस्त खिलाड़ी हैं। 136 का एवरेज देखिए, 63 के लगभग की एवरेज। ओह 650, तो हर तीसरे मैच में जब बल्ले, ये तो विराट कोहली लग रहे हैं CCL के। हाँ
पहला ही बढ़िया शॉट पर कोई रन नहीं, मिड ऑफ मौजूद वहां पर। ध्रुव मैदान में है क्योंकि ये हुआ था 2 गेंद पहले। क्या बढ़िया कैच है अतुल, एक कार्बन कमाल कैच।
बिल्कुल, उदय ने तो जान डाल दी। देखिए आगे डाइव करके लेना हमेशा मुश्किल रहता है। साइड की डाइविंग जो मानी जाती है कि आपके, अगर आपका फेवरेट हैंड की तरफ आप डाइव करके ले लो, चिपक जाती है बॉल। ओ ओ चे, बहुत ही उम्दा किस्म की क्रिकेट, जबरदस्त शॉट, जबरदस्त फील्डिंग और थ्रो।
लाजवाब क्रिकेट। और करीबी मामला हो सकता था अगर डायरेक्ट हिट होती तो। मेरे ख्याल से ध्रुव रन आउट हो जाते वहां पर। बढ़िया शॉट थी। देखिए जब थ्रो आई तब ध्रुव को कोई मौका नहीं था क्रीज में आने।
और गेंदबाज भी वापस आके पकड़ने नहीं आए, वक्त था उनके पास कवर करने का। ओह क्या बात है, ये 2 स्ट्रोक्स बताते हैं कि विकेट कितनी जबरदस्त है। ओवर थ्रो रोक लिए गए, तो 5 ओवर के बाद 40 पे 2।
talking on lazy. He was. बेहतरीन क्रिकेट यहाँ पर कर्नाटका बुलडोजर्स ने पहले बल्लेबाजी करने का निर्णय लिया और प्रदीप जो अच्छी बैटिंग कर रहे थे 32 रन बनाकर वापस चले गए हैं। पूरा का पूरा दारोमदार जो है वो ध्रुव और इस पैर के ऊपर है और खूबसूरत शॉट, बेहतरीन शॉट। हालांकि फुल टॉस जरूर थी पर उसको अच्छी तरह से निभा दिया है। चलो हम अब जाते हैं नीचे सुप्रीत के पास।
Welcome to the second match of the day here at the Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bengaluru. That is playing a gracious host to Karnataka Bulldozers versus Bengal Tigers. A pool of talent both ways indeed. I'm Supreet Bedi and with me now we have the lead actresses of Vastu Prakara, which is going to hit the theatres very, very soon. So let's say hello to Parul Yadav and Aishani Shetty. Parul, first of all, you guys are here for supporting Karnataka Bulldozers. So are you ardent fans of cricket?
Yeah, in fact, I love cricket. I'm a die-hard fan of cricket and especially the T20 format. That keeps you on your toe, it gets over fast and you get the result instantly.
Are you a cricket buff?
Yeah,
Definitely, both of us are. So it's amazing. The crowd is amazing, and Karnataka is playing really well. So it gives you.
So let's quickly talk about the format that CCL brings.
See, well, CCL is a non-professional cricket league. But looking at this guy's play, it looks like a professional cricket league to me. Yeah, I mean, look at them, they're actors. They hardly get time to play cricket. The all things they can do in a day is just play gully cricket. And then you see the so right technique on the ground, playing so well. When they take the game so seriously, we as an audience enjoy watching it, you know. Yeah.
Let's talk about Vastu Prakara now. Tell us a bit about what the film is.
Well, Vastu Prakara is about 3 couples. It's me, Jagesh, Aishani, Rakshit, and Anantnag and Sudharani. It's about the superstition about Vastu Prakara. There's nothing called Vastu Prakara, it's all in your head. Up to a certain limit, I think it's good. But if it's kind of ruining your daily chores, you know, you're worried about that, was it at the correct place, your dining table is it correct place, I think then if it bothers you a lot, then it's not right, I guess. I'm not in favor of Vastu.
You're not. Do you think, Aishani, that the stadium is fine according to Vastu?
I don't believe in Vastu, so I can't really tell. But the stadium looks amazing, and the players are doing a good job. So I don't believe in Vastu, but the stadium is definitely amazing.
So basically, no superstition comes from you ladies at all.
I'm an interior designer by profession. My clients will be very upset. A lot of my clients, they believe in Vastu Prakara. Of course, I have to respect their sentiments, and sometimes you have to go ahead with their sentiments.
So it's not about if I wear an orange lipstick today, they might win.
Yeah, I'm wearing an orange lipstick. I'm wearing an orange lipstick.
Sorry, I'm going to stop there. With me now is the hero of the film as well. We have with us Rakshit Shetty, the actor. We're talking about Vastu Prakara. Are you superstitious?
Yeah, I think so.
This is 2 girls who are not. I have a guy here who is. So tell me a bit about your superstition when you're playing. I'm told you're a cricket fan as well.
I definitely watch cricket, but I don't play. I'm not good playing.
Are you doing it?
No, but I definitely watch it. And he's my favorite actor.
His talent is observation here, isn't it? All right, here is wishing you very good luck. Back upstairs right now. We've had a wicket.
Well, there's been a wicket fall here, 53 for 3. After 6 overs, they've got the 3rd wicket. Bengal Tigers, they're coming back in this game. It's been referred. No ball is not a problem. That's a beautiful action. No ball is not a problem at all. It's the business end of that wicket. Well, it's hit him in line. With that angle, I feel it's just drifting down the leg side a little bit. Angle that is created by the bowler. It's hit him in line, there's no doubt about that. But that angle, he's way forward, way ahead. He's about 3 feet ahead of the crease. They're waiting for the third umpire to give them the confirmation. I guess he's talking with the on-field umpire, the third umpire. And it's been reversed. It's not out. And have a look at that roar in the crowd. Just remains 53 for 2 after 6.